Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well today. I'm here today to introduce my new mystery shawl knit along that's going to be coming up very shortly. On the 5th of November, the pattern is going to be launched on pre-sale, and then the next day, the 6th of November, we're going to have the pattern kits, yarn kits I should say, that are going to go up for sale. Now, a little bit about the name. It's called SiOG Stripes is the name of this mystery knit along. SiOG is the Irish word for fairies, so SiOG Stripes then is just a little play on the actual Irish combined with the English. And as you can probably guess, there's some stripes involved in it. Now, if you haven't done a mystery shawl knit along with me before, it goes on pre-sale, and then a short while later you're going to have each section of the pattern is released as a series of clues. You won't know what the shawl looks like before you start, but you will have a general size and you'll know the yarns and the yarn amounts that you're going to need. But it's a lot of fun because you're knitting along at the same time with other people, and it's a surprise for everyone. Plus the timing of it, because it goes on sale in kind of early-ish November, but the first clue doesn't come out till the start of January. It means that this is a little bit like giving yourself a Christmas present that you get to unwrap when the holidays are over and you have fun knitting your way through January and the start of February. So now that you know a little bit about how the knit along works, I thought I might show you a few of the yarn combinations that I'm going to be putting up for sale and in the pre-sale. So I've got a mixture of two different yarn types that I'm using. One is my newest sports weight, and I'm combining it with Fibre Space Fairy Wings. So the first color option are these two here. This is August Storms in US Sport, and this one is the beautiful magenta in Fairy Wings. So that's a nice bright color contrast. The second one is a little bit less of a contrast. So you have Hotter's Teal Party here in Nua Sport, and in the Fibre Space we've got this one here, which is Water. So a little bit closer together, not quite as much contrast. And this one here I think is a lot of fun. This one is August Storm, beg your pardon, this one is Harvest Moon, and this is Autumn. So with this Fairy Wings, you can see there's a bit of color variation, so it's going to create quite a different effect with the lovely rusty orange you've got from Harvest Moon. So there are the three color combinations that I'm going to have up for sale, and the kits will be 3 skeins of each and a project bag to go with it. So pop along from November the 6th and you're going to be able to get your hands on these kits.